Hello class 12th. Again today I am going to take up one more device and this is called meter bridge. Meter bridge is a sensitive device based on principle of Wheatstone bridge and it is used for the determination of resistance of a conductor. Even we can get very accurate resistivity and conductivity of any conductor. It is more sensitive than any other device for measuring the internal for measuring the resistance, even post office box. As you can see in the diagram, AB is a 1 meter wire of magnin or constant ton, which is fixed along the scale on a wooden base. The area cross section of the wire is same at all places, and the two end of the wire is connected with L shape of uh, the metallic strip, and this strip is mostly made of copper. It's a thick copper strip so that it can offer least resistance to the to the current. They are connected with each other with the screws. In between you can see there is a two gap of this and this gap, and this is one of the gap. In this gap a resistance box is connected written as RB, and we have taken one value R. In another gap and unknown resistance is connected. This is sign of unknown resistance and written as X. A galvanometer is connected with C, and other end of the galvanometer is connected with jockey. This A is kept positive with the cell and B is kept negative with the cell, and cell is connected along with the rheostat as well as the key to switch it on, switch it off. The alternate circuit you can see as a Wheatstone bridge. Between A and J, galvanometer is connected. Between A and C, resistance box is connected. Between C and B, unknown resistance is connected. A and J, length taken L, and between B and J, length is taken 100 minus L. What happens when we take any plug key of resistance R and we move the jockey from A to B? Then when we put the jockey at A, the galvanometer shows deflection on the right side, and when we put the jockey at B, galvanometer shows deflection on the left side. Then we say that circuit is properly connected. Now when we move from our jockey from A to B, what happens? The deflection needle of the galvanometer moves from right to left, and at some point, let it be J, the deflection in the galvanometer becomes 0. Then J is called null point and the bridge is said to be balanced. If I say that from a distance L, that is at point J, the galvanometer shows no deflection, then J will act as a null point. Then certainly Bj will be equal to 100 minus L. Since the bridge is balanced, therefore this resistance upon this will be equal to resistance of Aj upon resistance of Jb. P upon Q equal to R upon S. This is resistance R, this is resistance X. Since they are uniform cross section area, they will have uniform resistance per unit length. Therefore, if we take resistance per unit ohm as a 1 ohm, then resistance of Aj is L and resistance of Jb is 100 minus L. Then R upon X equal to L upon 100 minus L, or you can now rearrange X equal to R times 100 minus L upon L. We can exchange the position of X and RB. Then we will get RL upon 100 minus L. We take 3 or 4 more readings to make it more accurate values. Hope you would have understood this meter bridge, and uh, and uh, the meter bridge is said to be most sensitive when all the four resistances, yani along A to C, B to C, A to J, J to B are almost same or equivalent to each other. Okay, therefore a number of observations are taken for different resistances in the resistance box, and for each observation the value of X is calculated. Finally, the experiment is repeated by interchanging the unknown resistance X, S, X and the resistance box. The mean value of X is then obtained, and this comes correct value. Hope you would have understood this meter bridge. Thank you very much.